Okay, for the last of the prereq unit, we are doing product and quotients of integers, which is just multiplication and division. So product means to multiply, and quotient means to divide. Okay, so to get started, I have this little chart here, and we're going to try to come up with a conclusion ourselves before I tell you it. So the first one is done for you, 3 times 2. The signs are the same, so the answer sign is positive, and the answer is 6. 6 times negative 8. The signs are, I'm just going to use S for same, D for different, and then I'm just going to use plus and minus for my answer signs. So same, different, and then plus or minus. So my signs are different here. So if I did 6 times negative 8 in the calculator, I would get negative 48. So that means that my signs, or my answer sign is negative. Negative 9 times negative 9. The signs are the same. If I do that in the calculator, I'm going to get positive 81. So my answer sign is positive. Negative 12 times 3. The signs are different. The answer is negative 36, which means that my answer sign is negative. And then 6 times 4. Signs are the same. The answer is 24, positive. So what do we notice here? When the signs are the same, the answer is positive. When the signs are different, the answer is negative. Let's see if that's true for the division problems. So here, negative 14 divided by negative 2, the signs are the same. The answer is 7, so that is positive. Negative 45 divided by 9, the signs are different. The answer would be negative 5, so our sign is negative. 15 divided by negative 3, signs are different. My answer is negative 3, so negative for my answer sign. Negative 6 divided by 2, signs are different. My answer is negative 3, again. Oh wait, sorry, this one up here was negative 5. I was looking at this one here. So negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3, and so my answer is negative. And then for our last one, our signs are different. The answer is negative 6, so the answer sign is negative. So it does hold true for multiplication or division. So same signs equal a positive answer. Different signs equal a negative answer. And that will hold true whenever you're multiplying or dividing, every time. Okay, so now we're going to take that and just take it a little bit further rather than just doing simple multiplication and division. So my tip for you here is to take it step by step until you get to 2 numbers. So here, the first thing that I'm going to do is deal with the top part, 5 and negative 6. So 5 times negative 6 is negative 30. We have over negative 3. So sometimes you're going to see division like this. It kind of looks like a fraction, but it's still just dividing. So negative 30 divided by negative 3. Well, if I just start with the numbers, 30 divided by 3, I get 10. And because they're the same sign, my answer is positive. So it's going to stay 10. All right, the next one I'm going to start with 4 times 3, which is 12. And I'll take that times negative 2. And the signs are different, so my answer will be negative 24. All right, for this one here, I'm going to have 24. And then I have 2 times negative 12 on the bottom. So I'm going to have negative 24 on the bottom. And again, this is just dividing. So 24 divided by 24 is 1. But since the signs are different, it is negative. Then here we have absolute value again, kind of bringing that back in. So the absolute value of whatever 3 times negative 6 would be. So 3 times negative 6 is going to give me negative 18, but they want the absolute value, so it's really positive 18.